Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone apps not downloading using some simple methods. So, let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can stop apps from downloading. Step 2. Check your storage space. Next, make sure your iPhone has enough available storage. Open the Settings app on your phone. Tap on General, then tap iPhone Storage. Here you can see how much storage is available. If your storage is full, delete unused apps, photos, or videos to free up space. After that, try downloading the app again. Step 3. Pause and resume the download. Open the App Store and find the app that is stuck downloading. Tap the app icon once to pause the download, then tap it again to resume it. If the issue still continues, try restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and the volume button together, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and turn your phone back on. Step 4. Sign out and sign back into the App Store. Open the Settings app on your phone. Tap your Apple ID name at the top. Scroll down and sign out of your account. After that, sign back in again. This can refresh your App Store connection and may fix the downloading issue. Step 5. Check date and time settings. Open the Settings app. Tap on General, then select Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes cause problems with the App Store. Step 6. Update iOS. Finally, check if your iPhone software is up to date. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install the latest version of iOS. And that's it. These are the simple steps to fix iPhone apps not downloading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips.